So I heard your stories and I understood that. जैसे कि डेफ होते हैं, they have a lot of, as you have a lot of experience as a PWD, you might know about 4% reservation in RPWD Act 2016. You might know about government schemes and different accessibility related things, that accessibility is missing, ramp is missing, the different companies ऑल नो कि डेफ है वगैरह तो एक्सेसिबिलिटी देना चाहिए, लेकिन कुछ भी ये नहीं करते, बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ कहीं पे कोई सपोर्ट नहीं करना चाहता. तो कैन यू आंसर दैट?
Can I go first? Yeah. Thank you for asking the question. I actually wanted to touch upon this earlier. So, because how many of you all are working in corporates over here? Most of you? Acha. Okay. So, I have also worked in corporates for some time. And I am a DEI trainer. So, I go to corporates and take sessions. And one conversation that I always have with people is that is about the accommodations for disabled people. Jab bhi, whenever you talk about accommodation for a disabled person, you always see a discomfort on someone's face. They're like, oh no, karna hai kya, karna chahiye kya, kyun karna hai, kyun adjust karna hai humko. And again, I have a very simple question, that if you as a non-disabled person are not asked to participate in an obstacle race and reach your office, if you are not asked to sit on a high chair and do your and bend down to your laptop and do your work, if you are not asked to use skates and go to the washroom, if you are not asked to climb a rope and reach the 7th floor, why am I as a disabled person have to demand for things that are my right, that are the most obvious for me? So I think it's time that we understand that we are not going out of the way to make accommodations for disabled people, but we're doing them right now because we haven't done them in the past. It's extremely sad that we talk about inclusion right now, and that's only because we've excluded in the past. So I don't have a solution-oriented answer to your question, but what I do personally is when I have these conversations with people, I tell them to not look at disability accommodation as a burden, but as a need. Like if somebody, for example, if somebody who has a backache for a week asks for a cushion, and if that is not a burden, then why is a normal or a high chair for somebody with a walking problem is an issue, right? So I would just urge everybody to look at disability accommodation as any other accommodation. And I understand that it probably means that you have to spend more, but that's only because you haven't spent before. So आप कुछ out of the world नहीं कर रहे हो. So I think it's high time that we mainstream and not marginalize. Thank you.
So I would summarize this like this: we are living in a country which is densely populated. एंड यहाँ पे मेरे हिसाब से आई से दिस टू लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन माई कम्युनिटी कि यहाँ पे सारे ही अंधे सारे बहरे, जब तक बोलोगे नहीं कोई सुनेगा नहीं, जब तक करके दिखाओगे नहीं कोई देखेगा नहीं. That's the entire thing. When I conceived and when I was pregnant, my mother told me this thing that, so my mother is also a dwarf, and she said that upon my delivery, within 3 days, I was doing my household job, and you have 6 months of maternity. What a privileged thing. So that day I realized that someday somebody who has conceived and got into a motherhood has raised this to, raised this as a concern that newly conceived mother should have a 6 months maternity leave. किसी ने तो बोला होगा तब वो हुआ होगा, ऐसे ही चमत्कार नहीं हुआ. तो likewise it's the disability thing. Till the time you don't say, nobody is going to do it. We are so much involved into social media. आजकल हम एक घर में 5 जन रहते हैं, 5 मोबाइल पे रहते हैं, एक दूसरे की बात नहीं सुनते, तो हमारा तो कोई भी नहीं सुनेगा. तो जब तक बोलोगे नहीं सुनेंगे नहीं. We are all deaf and blind, everybody.
I think I'll just add to that, given that we are at a platform which is actually promoting inclusion and diversity, we should also acknowledge that beyond just the legislature, which is saying 4% employment in the government sector and all the accommodation requirement, I think there are amazing corporates and organizations who are working this in field. And I think best align with those who are doing the work and let the others follow. I think that would be my suggestion to people who are actually looking for those spaces. Those spaces have been created. A few of them did speak in the morning. So maybe look at those spaces and align with those spaces and make them fly and let them set an example for the others to follow.